Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a table to your pages on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. Head over to the page you would like to edit inside your workspace on Microsoft Loop. And next, enter or click into that field here with the text, which says just start typing, and enter the command / and then table. And you will see the table suggestion below. And then it's going to add that default table with 2 columns and 2 rows to your page. Of course, you can customize your table. You may switch the view here from table to board. Well, in this case here, it wouldn't make any sense because tables can only be viewed as a table. But you can, for example, add more of these columns, for example, by hovering your mouse over that plus button in the top right and select it to add another column and repeat that. And you may do the same with these rows here below by clicking into plus new, and thus add more of these cells to your table. And after that, guys, you may, for example, increase the height and the width of your columns and also of your rows. You may also change the position with by using that handle here on the left hand side and by repositioning your row. And last but not least, you may also customize the cell content by clicking into it and by adding content to it, and so on and so forth. Now we got these customization options here. You may sort these cells, for example, by using various filters like ascending, descending for the column. You may apply filters here. Select the column, select the condition, collapse the table, click into these 3 dots here to hide a column, to download the table as a CSV. So guys, that's basically how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.